we discussed highest common factor concepts. I'll just repeat a few concepts. Highest common factor, highest common factor, highest common factor. What are the concepts that we discussed? First concept is HCF of A comma B is an element in the set, is an element in the set, factor of B minus A. First concept, HCF of A comma B is an element in the set, factor of B minus A. Second concept, highest common factor of A power x 1 minus 1, A power y minus 1 is A power HCF of x comma y minus 1, x comma y minus 1. Third concept, HCF of A written x times and A written y times, it is nothing but A written HCF of x comma y times. In case if you have not attended the morning class, it is available in our YouTube channel. It is free to watch anytime. The video is made public. You can go back and revisit all your basics. Right, in case if you have missed the first session of HCF basics, these are some of the key points. Then we discussed HCF of co-prime numbers is 1. HCF of co-prime numbers is 1. Another few important concept, HCF of Hx comma Hy. If H is common, H into HCF of x comma y. These are the some of the concepts which we discussed. Now, today's class, another 10 to 15 concepts you are going to discuss. Listen carefully. Now, these are some of the questions. Anil Nair's way of solving highest common factor. Logical way to solve HCF problems. Logical way to solve HCF problems. Listen carefully, sir. Before we solve, first we will discuss the concept. Concept 1. Concept 1. See here. Suppose if I want LCM of 6 comma 12. 12 is a multiple of 6. So answer is directly 12. Directly 12. Similarly, LCM of 20 comma 60. 20 comma 60. 60 is a multiple of 20. So directly 60. This is for LCM. Similarly, highest common factor for 4 comma 20. In LCM we took the multiple. LCM is least common multiple. Multiple means it is a number which is largest among other numbers if all the others are factors. Multiple means we took the highest. HCF. HCF is highest common factor. Factor means lowest. Factor means lowest. Multiple is highest. Multiple is highest. Take the lowest number. Does 4 divide 20? Yes. So HCF is 4. HCF is 4. Suppose HCF of 5 comma 30. HCF of 5 comma 30. HCF stands for highest common factor. Factor for a number will come to the left side of the number. Multiple to a number come to the right side of that number. Factor means take the smallest value. 5. Does 5 divide 30? Yes. Does 5 divide 30? Yes. Some more examples. HCF of 15, 30, 60, 120. 15, 30, 60, 120. I want HCF. HCF is highest common factor. Factor means take the lowest value. 15. Check whether this lowest value is a factor of every other number. 15 is a factor of 30. 15 is a factor of 60. 15 is a factor of 120. So answer is nothing but the lowest value. What we did it in LCM type 1, the same concept holds good in HCF. The only difference is in LCM I will take the largest value. In HCF I will take the smallest value. I will take the smallest value. For example, HCF of 20, 60, 120. Take the smallest value. Smallest value is 20. Does 20 divide 60? Yes. Does 20 divide 120? Yes. So answer is 20. I hope concept 1 of type 1 in LCM and type 1 in HCF both are similar. Now type 2. Type 2. This is type 1. This is type 1. Now type 2. Just listen to the class. You don't need to tell the answer anything. Type 2. Type 2. First we will do LCM. In LCM, what we did, LCM of 6, 9. First we checked whether 9 is a multiple of 6. 9 is not a multiple of 6. So what I did, I took the next multiple of 9, which is 18. Is 18 divisible by 6? Yes. So I wrote 18. Similarly, LCM of 15, 25. Yesterday in the first session, I have told you very clearly method 1, method 2, method 3 till method 6 of LCM. 15, 25. Largest number is 25. Is 25 divisible by 15? No. Because it is LCM. LCM is least common multiple. Take the multiples of the largest number. 25 2s are 50. 50 is not divisible by 15. 75. 75 is divisible by 15. So answer for this question is 75. I hope the idea is clear. This is for LCM. Now what we will do it for HCF? What we will do it for HCF? HCF of 15, 25. HCF of 15, 25. HCF of 15, 25. So the method is take the smallest number. Is 15 a factor of 25? No, 15 is not a factor of 25. Because it is multiple, I took the multiples of 9. Because HCF comes from factor, take the factors of 15. What are the factors of 15? 1, 3, 5, 15. Take the highest factor, 5. Is 5 a factor of 25? Yes. Answer is 5. I hope the idea is clear. HCF means we have to take the smallest number. Check whether smallest number is a factor of other numbers. If the smallest number is not a factor of other numbers, take the factors for the smallest number. Factors for 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Check with the next highest factor, 5. Does 5 divide 25? Yes. So answer for this question is 5. HCF of 21, 35, 56. HCF of 21, 35, 56. Lowest number is 21. Is 21 a factor of 35? No. Is 21 a factor of 56? No. Take the factors of 21. What are all the factors of 21? 1, 3, 7 and 21. 21 is the number itself. What is the next number? Next number is 7. Next number is 7. Is 7 a factor of 35? Yes. Is 7 a factor of 56? Yes. So answer for this question is 7. Answer for this question is 7. I hope the idea is clear. In LCM, I will take the multiple of the largest number. I will take the multiple of the largest number. In HCF, I will take the factor of the lowest number. No difference, both are same. Factor of the lowest number. LCM, whatever we did it in method number 2, same method 2 can be used in HCF. LCM means multiple means largest number. If that largest number is not a multiple, take the multiples of the largest. In HCF, HCF means factor. Factor is the lowest number. If the lowest is not satisfying, take the factors of that lowest number. Take the factors of that lowest number. I hope this idea is clear. Now, next one. Let us solve one by one all these questions. One by one all these questions. A very beautiful class, sir. All the 3 classes today you will learn a lot. Whatever I am saying to you, please write down in your notebook. Write every point that I am going to share it with you. First one, find the HCF of 24, 60, 48, 108. Because it is HCF, what is the idea? Either the factor of lowest number. This is the logic. Factor of the lowest number. Factor of the lowest number. Lowest number is 24. Check whether 24 is a factor of every number. 24 is not a factor of 60. So the next factor for 24 is 12. Does 12 divide 60? Yes. 12 5s are 60. 12 4s are 48. 12 9s are 108. So the first one answer is 12. I hope you got an idea. First one. Second question. Find the HCF of 8, 20, 28, 44. Take the factor of the lowest number. Lowest number is 8. Is 8 a factor of 20? No. Take the next factor of 8, which is 4. Check whether 4 is dividing every other number. 4 5s are 20. 4 7s are 28. 4 11s are 44. Answer for the second question is 4. Answer for the second question is 4. I hope you got the idea. First and second. Third one. Third one. Find the HCF of 30, 42 and 135. Find the HCF of 30, 42 and 135. Take the lowest number. 30. Is 30 a factor of 42? No. Is 30 a factor of 135? No. Take the factors of 30. 15. Does 15 divide 42? No. Factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Because it is highest common factor, move from right to left. 15 is not possible. Next is 10. Is 10 a factor of 42? No, not possible. What is the next one? 6. Is 6 a factor of 42? Yes. 6 7s are 42. 6 is it a factor of 135? No. 6 is not possible. 5. 5 6 is it 5 possible? 5 possible. 5 6 are 30. 5 8s are 40. 5 is not possible. 3 14s are 42. 3 45s are 135. So answer for the third question is 3. What is the logic that we are using? HCF can also be determined as the factor of the lowest number. As the factor of the lowest number. Factor could be the highest, should be the highest value. Factor of the highest number. A very beautiful conceptual way of solving every problem in aptitude. 30, 42, 135. First over, second over, third over. Fourth one. Find the HCF of, write down in a serial order, 15, 25, 100 and 120. 15, 25, 100 and 120. 15 is not a factor of 25. Next factor is 5. 5 will divide 25. 5 5s are 5 20s are 100. 5 24s are 120. Answer for this question is 5. Answer for this question is 5. I hope option D is clear to you. Option E. Find the HCF of 108, 288 and 360. Factor of the lowest number 108. 108 is not a factor of 288. So the next factor is 36. 36. 36 8s are 288. 36 8s are 288. 36 10s are 360. It should divide every other number. So answer is 36. Answer is 36. Money, you are doing a mistake. If I take 15, 15 should be a factor of every number. Is 42 divisible by 15? No. So 15 is incorrect answer. I hope it is clear. A, B, C, D and E all are out. What if the numbers are large? F and G. I am increasing the level of the numbers. Increasing the level of numbers. HCF of 750, 6300, 18,900. Just for easier calculation, delete 1 0. Delete 1 0. Otherwise, you have to take the factors of 750, which is cumbersome. So this question became HCF of 75, 630 and 1890. What are the factors of 75? 25 is one factor of 75. 25 3s are 75. 25 2s are 500, 130, not possible. Next is 15. 15 5s are 75. 15 42s are 630. 15 1s are 15, 13, 9, 15 2s are 30, 15 6s are 90. So 15 is the answer for this number. But I want the answer for 750. Another 0 is to be suffixed. Answer for this question is 150. 150. I hope it is clear, right? Now, Cherry, you asked a question. 108 factors are 254s are, 227s are, 3 9s are. So 108 can be written as 1 into 108. Next it is 2 into 54. Next it is 3 into 36. First I took 108. 54. 54 2s are 108. 54 288. It will not go in 288. So that is the reason I took 36. Cherry, I hope it is clear. Option F. A, B, C, D, E, F. How to solve HCF in a most logical way? Factor is the lowest number. Because it is the lowest number, take the factors of the lowest number. Option G. What if the numbers? I hope it is clear. I removed 1 0. I removed 1 0 and I condensed the number. Then I took the factors. Right? Option G. Chetan, tomorrow I will discuss factors and multiples. Tomorrow, when I am discussing factors and multiples, you will understand it clearly. Option G. Find the HCF of 1365, 1560 and 1755. Take the smallest number 1365. Factorize the number. 5 2s are 10, 36. 5 7s are 35. This is 3. 391s are 273. 7 13s are 91. So the factors for 1365 is 5, 3, 7, 13. Highest is nothing but 13. Check with 13. 13 12s are 1560, divisible. 13 1s are 13, 45. 13 3s are 13 9, 65. 13 5s are 65. Answer for this question is 13. Answer for this question is 13. Beautiful logical way to solve highest common factor. None of the questions answer options are given. Answer options are not given. Answer options are not given. If answer options are not given, this is one way to solve the question. There are various ways we discussed in our class. Answer is an element in the set factor of B minus A. Point number 1. Point number 2. Answer can also be written as a lowest power of common prime basis. That I have not discussed. That is something I will discuss. First type today. Is it clear to each one of you? Kindly reply it in the live chat if it is clear to you. If it is clear to you, another beautiful logic, how to use answer options to find a HCF. That also we will discuss. Fatafat reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. One. How to find HCF using answer options. How to find HCF using answer options. But before that one, concepts. Please write down concepts. First one, HCF of even numbers is always an even number. HCF of even numbers is always an even number. Next one, HCF of 15, 25, which is 5 here. Listen carefully this example. If this number is divisible by 5, if this number is divisible by 5, answer should be divisible by 5. Answer should be divisible by 5. I hope it is clear. Now I think previous question, one student asked a doubt. Any relevant doubts we have to take. 1365, 1560, 1755, 1755. This is a doubt from Srikanth. Right? Srikanth says, sir, why did you not consider 91 and 272? Now 91 and 272. 91 is, now why I did not consider, first I will tell that question. 1365, because if any doubt is good, we should discuss that one. 3, 455 are 13 3s are 13 9, 65, 5 7s are 1365 is 3 into 13 into 5 into 7. Now this is for you, Srikanth. If you see why I did not took 91. 91 is derived from 7 and 13. If I take 91, this number should be divisible by 7. 7 2s are 14, 16. 16 is not divisible by 7. If it is not divisible by 7, how can it be divisible by 91? I hope it is clear. Next one. What is the another logic that we have got? It is 273 beta, not 272. 273. 276 are 1620, but I am getting 0 at the end. So 273, there cannot be any multiple, right, which will give you 1560. That is the reason 91 and 273 are eliminated. I hope, Srikanth, you got a doubt. Now, Listen carefully. Now let us go back. Please don't tell the answers in the live chat. I am not interested in your answers. I am only interested in your good doubts. If I think that doubt is good, I will discuss it in the class. Now concepts. I hope Srikanth it is clear to you. Concept. HCF of, I was discussing this. 15 comma 25 is 5. 15 comma 25 is 5. Now see here. Diksha, I will come to you, right? Please hold, let me complete this concept. 15, 25 is 5. If this is divisible by 5, if this is divisible by 5, if this is divisible by 5, answer should also be divisible by 5. Answer should also be divisible by 5. Another way, HCF of a comma 20 equivalent to 60. If this is divisible by 4 and this is divisible by 4, a should be divisible by 4. Please write down this point. A should be divisible by 4. A should be divisible by 4. Right? A should be divisible by 4. HCF of 15 comma 25 is 5. Right? This is divisible by 5. This is divisible by 5. Answer should be divisible by 5. If two given inputs are divisible by some number, answer should also be divisible by some number. Or if answer is divisible by some number, one number is divisible by some number, another number should also be divisible by the same number. I hope this concept is clear. HCF of even numbers is an even number. HCF of even numbers is an even number. Right? Diksha and Srikanth, I will come to you. I am reading all your live charts. If I think that I need to discuss, I will definitely discuss. You are listening to the class for the first time. Right? I have learnt mathematics through clearing doubts. Now, why am I explaining this one? Let us solve with this concept this one. Listen carefully, sir. It is not these problems. You should know how to use this logic. Find the HCF of 420, comma 1782. Listen carefully. 420 is an even number. 1782 is an even number. If two numbers are even number, answer should be an even number. Answer should be an even number. 7 is cancelled. First way, HCF of two even numbers is an even number. Next one, HCF of 420 comma 1782. 1782. Listen carefully. 420, if it is this is divisible by 4, because last two digits is divisible by 4. If this is divisible by 4, if I assume answer as first option 4, if the output and one number is divisible by 4, another number should also be divisible by 4. 82 is not divisible by 4. That means my assumption is incorrect. Again I am explaining. 420 and 4. 420 last two digits is 20. It is divisible by 4. If I assume the first answer as right, 4 is divisible by 4. 420 is divisible by 4. The other number should also be divisible by 4. 82 is not divisible by 4. So therefore, first option is incorrect. If first option is incorrect, last option also will be incorrect. If a number is not divisible by 4, how can it be divisible by 8? Option is C. Answer for this question is 6. Answer for this question is 6. Answer for this question is 6. First question, I hope it is clear. Listen carefully to every statement which I am saying it in my class. First, it is clear. Some smart approaches to solve these questions. HCF of 210, 495, 980. Listen, go by the answer options. This is divisible by 10 because the unit digit is 0. This is divisible by 10 because the unit digit is 0. If I take the first option is 10. That is also divisible by 10. 495 should be divisible by 10. 495 is not divisible by 10. 10 is incorrect. Because of this example, 20, 30, 60. 20, 30, 60, it is 10. If this is divisible by 10, this is divisible by 10, this is divisible by 10, 60 should also be divisible by 10. If I take 10, 210 is divisible by 10, 980 is divisible by 10, 495 is not divisible by 10. If 10 is out, 20 is also out. If a number is not divisible by 10, how can it be divisible by 20? Now we will see 15. 15 is 5 into 3. That means if the answer is 15, that means it is divisible by 3. All the three options should be divisible by 3. 980. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 is not divisible by 3. So 15 is out. Second one answer is 5. Second one answer is 5. Do not write any answers in the live chat. Do not write anything in the live chat other than your doubt. Only these two things should be there. You ask a doubt. If I ask you to understand whether it is clear or not, whether it is clear, not clear, or the doubt. Only these two things should be there in the live chat. Now, again I am explaining. 210 is divisible by 10. 980 is divisible by 10. If the first option is divisible by 10, the element in the set should also be divisible by 10. 495 is not divisible by 10. 10 is out. If 10 is out, automatically 20 will be out. 15 is 5 into 3. 5 I am not doing because all are divisible by 5. Because all are divisible by 5. 3. Divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. For 980 is not divisible by 3. Right? So, 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 is not divisible by 3. Right? All the other numbers are divisible by 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 is divisible by 3. 495. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Option C. Option C. Find the HCF of 1680, 3600. Directly by looking at it, we can say the answer. If this is divisible by 100, divisible by 100 is last two digits are 0, 0. If this is divisible by 100, option C is divisible by 100. 1680 is not divisible by 100. So option C is incorrect. Option C is incorrect. Option A is incorrect. Why? Because 3600, it is divisible by 9. Why it is divisible by 9? Sum of the digit C is divisible by 9. Sum of the digit C is divisible by 9. 180 digital sum is 9. But 1680, what is the digital sum? 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 digital sum is not 9. Option A and option C are ruled out. 140 is 7 into 20. Option D is divisible by 7. 1680 is divisible by 7. 3600 is not divisible by 7. 140 is ruled out. So answer for this question is option B. Answer for this question is option B. I hope it is clear, right? Sai Dharani, the way you are thinking is right, but you have not opened the next door. What did you say? You are saying that this is divisible by 3, divisible by 3. So answer should contain 3, right? This is an even number, this is an even number. HCF of 2 even numbers means answer should contain 2. What is 3 2s are 6. You only did till 3 and thinking that the answer is 3. Next one. Option D. HCF of 750, 6,300 and 18,900. What I will do is, I want a very simplified calculation. So I will delete 1 0 in all the question and answer. Everywhere I will delete. Just by looking at a question I can say 630 digital sum is 9. Here also digital sum is 9. If the option is B, option B digital sum is 9. 750 digital sum is not 9. Out. 180 is eliminated. 170 is 17 into 10. 750 is not divisible by 17. Right? 750 is not divisible by 17. These out. Next one. 210 is 7 into 30. This is divisible by 7. This is divisible by 7. 750 is not divisible by 7. 210 is out. Answer is 150. Answer is 150. I hope it is clear. Right? Again I am repeating. 750, 6,300, 18,100. 18,100. I removed all 0, 0, 0 at the beginning, right at the end. If I look at option B, 180 digital sum is 9. 6,300 digital sum is 9. 18,900 digital sum is 9. 750 digital sum is not 9. 180 is out. 170 is 17 into 10. 750 or 75 is not a multiple of 17. 170 is out. 180 is out. 170 is out. 210 is 7 into 30. 750 is not divisible by 7. So answer for this question is 150. Right? Money I have already discussed. HCF, one entire session I took the HCF of various numbers. I cannot repeat it. Please go back to and watch the video which is there from our YouTube channel Anil Nair classes. Right? Prasad says, if I eliminate 0 from 1680 and 3600, we will get 168 and 360, which is divisible by both the factors of 18. You made a mistake, Prasad. Mistake is the divisibility rule of composite number is write the number as a product of two coprimes. That is the divisibility rule of a composite number. For example, 12 divisibility rule is not 2 into 6 but 3 into 4, because 3 and 4 are coprime to each other. This theorem we call it as Chinese remainder theorem. So according to you, if it is 18 cannot be written it as 3 and 6, because they are not co-prime, you should use the divisibility rule of 2 and 9. I hope you have understood the mistake which you did it. Composite number divisibility rule is a product of two co-prime numbers. It is a product of two co-prime numbers. It is a product of two co-prime numbers. All the four options. Is it clear to you? Please reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. Is it clear to you? Balaji, I am taking 750 number. You are taking 1890 number. I am taking this number. This cannot be 180. 180 is divisible by 9. This is divisible by 9. This is divisible by 9. 750 is not divisible by 9. 180 is, 170 is out. 210 is out. 150 is the answer. 150 is the answer. If anybody is watching my live class for the first time and you are referred by your friends, or you saw your WhatsApp status of your friend and clicked on it, those of you are new to me, right? My name is Anil Nair. Most of the channels calls me as India's #1 aptitude trainer. I am an author of 9 mathematical books and I was the head of the department for all aptitude teachers at the age of 24 in my last experience at Career Launcher, which is a 350 crore company. Not a single doubt you will get it in my class. If you listen to all my classes with sincerity, 85% of the questions in any of the aptitude exam, you can solve it or I will make you solve it. Right. If something is not clear, please tell me what it is not clear. Prasad, I hope it is clear to you. I will not understand not clear. These closed lines. Closed lines, SV Tech, I do not even understand what is not clear, specify it. When you are asking, sir, this is my doubt. See how clearly Prasad has asked a doubt. It has clearly made me understand that what is the mistake that he is thinking. Prasad, I hope it is clear. Clear? Next one. Sum of, now see here. Before this question, please write down one more question. Rambabu, please write one more question. Forget about this question. A1 plus A2 plus pen padatle chudu. A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 equivalent to 210. A1 till A5 are natural numbers. What is the minimum LCM of? What is the minimum LCM of A1 till A5? I will wait for 1 minute. Let me see who will crack this very, very good logical question. A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5. A1 plus, question is A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 equivalent to 210. Find the minimum LCM of A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Minimum LCM. What are A1 to A5? Are natural numbers. 1 minute time. Please say your answer. I would like to see who will think logically and tell this answer. Answer for this question. Please tell this answer. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. It is 210. 210. Minimum LCM. What do you mean by divided by 7? Answer. It is okay to give a wrong answer. I will guide you if you are thinking in the wrong direction. But it is not okay to sit idle. Once you start listening to my YouTube live classes, once you have listened to one session, you will not feel like watching any other aptitude live classes. Most of them in YouTube live classes who are young, who has not even authored a book, who just are teaching in some coaching centers, if you twist the question, they will not be able to solve. And I can say it as confidence with 15 years experience, right? Most of them, what they do is, they take a book, solve the questions, prepare a PPT and project it as if they are the gods. A1, A2, A3, A4. Good, I got so many answers. Somebody said 42. Somebody is saying 5. Somebody is saying, right, I think 1 minute, sir. I will change this one. Now tell me the answer. Now tell me. A4. There are no 5 numbers, there are only 4 numbers. Otherwise, I am thinking how come directly you got 42. Let me twist the question. A1, A2, A3, A4. Only 4 numbers are there. Only 4 numbers are there. Only 4 numbers are there. 4 numbers are there. I hope each and every student who is watching my live class, tomorrow there is a biggest surprise only to the students who downloaded our app. Students who downloaded our app. Students who downloaded our app, ANC app. Tomorrow you will get an SMS. Something, a very, very good surprise to you. Something which you have been waiting for it. The students who downloaded our app, they will get an SMS tomorrow. Tomorrow that suspense will be revealed. Tomorrow the suspense will be revealed. Kindly download our app and wait for the suspense. Wait for the suspense. Write it like this, Prashant, I appreciate it. Instead of just writing it, that means you are thinking. Very good. Now, kindly go to Google Play Store, download type Anil Nair classes. Type Anil Nair classes, download the app. The students who downloaded the app will get an SMS tomorrow. All the students who downloaded the app. Tomorrow, am I right? Tomorrow is April 5th. Yes. Tomorrow there is a surprise for you. Now we will solve this question. Once we understand this question, this is easy. A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 equivalent to 210. Most of you are thinking right. 210 is nothing but 2 into 105. 105 is 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Question is, I want minimum LCM. Minimum LCM I require A1, A2, A3, A4. minimum LCM I require. To get the minimum LCM, there are two cases. All the four numbers can be equal. All the four numbers can be equal. But 210 divided by 4, 210 is not divisible by 4. So, first case, all the four numbers equal is not possible. Second case, all the three numbers are equal. All the three numbers are equal. And the fourth number should be a multiple of the other number. Three numbers. Am I right? This is the logic. To get the LCM, to get the minimum LCM, first thing is all the four numbers should be equal. That's exactly when it is A5. Most of you said 42, which is right if one more natural number is given. If four numbers are not equal, three numbers should be equal and fourth number should be a multiple of all the three numbers. So we will use this logic. We will use this logic. We will use this logic to do it. Four numbers. What is the logic? Logic is A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 210. Minimum LCM. First thing, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. 30. Three numbers should be equal. 210 divided by 3 is 70. Multiple of 30 closer to 70. 60, 60, 60, 30. One case. 7 5s are 35. 35. Multiple of 35. 35, 35, 35. 105. Next is 105. 105 plus 105 is 210. Next is 7 3s are 21, 20, 2s are 42, 42, 42, 42 and next is 42, 5s are. So, all the multiples, 7 5s are 35, 35 I got, 3 numbers equal. 7 3s are 21, 21, 2s are 42, 3 numbers are equal. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Multiple of 30 closer to 4 numbers equal. So 30 remaining all are 60. Minimum LCM is 60. Minimum LCM is 60. I hope the idea is clear. What is the logic in this question? 3 numbers are equal. 3 numbers are equal. 3 numbers are equal. 84 is a multiple of 42. 105 is a multiple of 35. 60 is a multiple of 30. 60 is a multiple of 30. Again I am explaining. 4 numbers, minimum LCM. LCM will be minimum. LCM will be minimum when all the 4 numbers are equal. All the 4 numbers are equal. All the 4 numbers are equal. 210 divided by 4, it is giving decimal value. So 4 numbers cannot be equal. If 4 cannot be equal, 3 has to be equal. Which all the 3 numbers which I should make equal? From the factorization of 210, I will get the answer. 7 5s are 35. Give 35, 35, 35. Remaining 105 to the A4. Give 42, 42, 42, remaining 84. Give 60, 60, 60, remaining 30. So minimum LCM is 60. Please put a star mark on this question. Please put a star mark on this question. No, Ram, you are calculating is wrong. The question is, it is the LCM of all the numbers. It is LCM of all the numbers. LCM of 35, 105 is 105. LCM of 30, 60 is 60. LCM of 42, 84 is 84. I hope the logic is clear. Now the question is, sum of 20 numbers is 801. A1, A2 and so on up to A19 plus A20. It is 801. So what you will do, if all the 20 numbers are equal, 801 cannot be divided by 20. So 19 numbers equal. 19 numbers equal plus the other number to give you 801. That means 19 numbers are equal. If I take 19 numbers 40, 19, 760, remaining is 41. 19 numbers I am making it equivalent to 40. Or if I make, which numbers I should make 40, 801 divided by 19. 19 fours are 76. 41. 19 twos are 38. That means 19 numbers equal should be around 42. I took 40. Let me take 41. 41 is added 19 times, which is 779. 779 plus 22. Next number could be 42. 42 added 19 times. 42 into 19 is 798 plus 3. How you got 40, 41, 42? I got 40, 41, 42. All the 20 numbers cannot be equal. So 19 numbers need to be equal. If the 19 numbers are to be equal, 801 divided by 19 is closer to 42. Closer to 42, take the values 40, 41, 42. To get the minimum LCM, these numbers should be a multiple of these numbers. So answer is LCM of 42 with 3 is 42. Answer for this question is 42. Very good questions, logical question. I hope it is clear. There are 20 numbers. 20 numbers sum is 801. Ladu, where it is not clear, please mention that one. Right? You don't need to write all this. 42. If the remaining is a factor of this number, that itself will be there. Otherwise, LCM value will keep growing. I hope this logic is clear. Next one. A, B, C, D, E are integers. 1 less than or equivalent to A less than, B less than, C less than, D less than E. A, B, C, D, E are in geometric progression. Okay. Next one. LCM is the least common multiple. That is something which we know. Because it is in geometric progression, I can take 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. The series is in geometric progression. LCM of A comma B. LCM of 1 comma 2 is 2. LCM of B comma C. LCM of 2 comma 4 is 4. LCM of C comma D, it is 8. LCM of D comma E, which is 16. 2, 4, 8, 16. So if I take 16, 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Answer is 15 by 16. Answer is 15 by 16. Answer is 15 by 16. The hint is A, B, C, D are in geometric progression. If they are in geometric progression, take some values which will satisfy the question. I hope it is clear, right? Next one. Suppose, sir, can I take, now see, these entire values should be maximum. If this value is maximum, This entire value should be minimum. Because it is minimum, I took the lowest value. If I take 139, 27, 81, the values are more, so I will not get the minimum value. Minimum value, that expression is maximum. That expression is maximum when the denominator is minimum. Denominator minimum, the lowest GP series in integers is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. I hope it is clear. Next one. Now, listen carefully, sir. LCM model 6. In LCM, steer wheel in model number 6. Generally, in our classes, in the online classes or in coaching center, LCM definition, examples, maximum 40 minutes it will take. I am taking session number 4 only on LCM and HCF. That kind of exhaustive teaching which I do it. Now see here. The least number. Now if the numbers are in geometric progression, how will you take the values? You will take 1 less than, A less than, B less than, C less than, D less than E. It is integers. So you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check with 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and everything. Check whatever is the smallest. The catch is in geometric progression. Now see here. Question. The least number, least is the minimum number. There is a number it seems that we require the minimum value. That number is divided by 4, 6, 8, 12 and 16. The number is divided by 4, 6, 8, 12, 16 and it gives a remainder 2. All the cases it gives a remainder 2. What is the number that is method 1? What is the number that is divisible by all the numbers, that is the LCM of the given numbers? 4, 6, 8, 12, 16 into quotient plus a remainder. Am I right? So you will find that value. Now 4 is a factor of 8, 6 is a factor of 12, 8 is a factor of 16, 12 and 16. These 48k plus 2. Because it is minimum, k minimum is 1. So 48 plus 2 is 50. 48 plus 2 is 50. LCM of all the numbers into quotient plus remainder. LCM of 4, 6, 8, 12, 16 plus 2. Method number 1. Method number 1. Method 1. I hope it is clear. Method 1 is very easy. It is nothing but everybody solves these things. LCM of 4, 6, 8, 12, 16 into k plus 2. Method 1. Method 2. Method 2. How to do method 2? This is, can I say that this entire number is divisible by 3? Are you all with me? 6 is nothing but 2 into 3. This entire number is divisible by 3 and it gives a remainder 2. Answer should be of the form 3p plus 2. 3p plus 2 and this entire number is divisible by 4. Answer should be of the form 3p plus 2 and divisible by 4. Answer should be divisible by 4. 46 is out. 4a plus 2. Sorry. 4a plus 2. This is divisible by 4 plus 2. This is divisible by 3 plus 2. This is divisible by 3. This is 3 into 15 plus 1. This is out. This is 4 into 14, these out. Only answer is 50. Only answer is 50. Again I am explaining. LCM of 4, 6, 8, 12, 16 into k. This entire number is divisible by 4. This entire number is divisible by 3. It gives a remainder 2. Answer should be 4p plus 2 or 3a plus 2. Go by the answer option. Go by the answer option. You don't need to write your answers. I am not interested in listening to your answer unless I ask you to solve a question. Listen to my class carefully. I hope it is clear. Method 1. Method 2. The least number, minimum number, which when divided by 12, 15, 20, 54, it is divided by all these numbers. It gives a remainder 4. It gives a remainder 4. Morning class we discussed. If one number digital sum is 9 and we are finding the LCM, answer LCM will also have digital sum 9. It should be, answer should be of the form 9p plus 4. If one number digital sum is 9, you do LCM with any other numbers, answer digital sum will be 9. 9 into something plus 4. These digital sum is 9. These digital sum is 9. These digital sum is 9. Another way to look at it is, now see here, we are struck with two options. 12 is divisible by 4. 12 is divisible by 4. So 4 into something plus 4. Answer should be divisible by 4. Answer should be divisible by 4. 54 is not divisible by 4. So answer is 5. Answer is 544. Again I am explaining. LCM of 12, 15, 20 and 54. The catch in this question is 54. 54 morning 7 a.m. class we discussed. If one number digital sum is 9, answer digital sum should also be 9. Answer digital sum should also be 9. This entire number digital sum is 9. 9 into something plus 4. 9 into something plus 4. 540 is divisible by 9. 450 is divisible by 9. 12 is divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4. Answer should be divisible by 4. 454 is not divisible by 4. Answer is 544. You please don't show your mathematical genius by doing 12, 15, 20 and 54. Not required. Another one. Find the greatest number of 5 digits, which when divided by LCM of 3, 5, 8, 12 into k plus 2. Into k plus 2. Method 1 and method 2. Method 2. Answer option approach. Method 2. Answer option approach. Listen carefully. This is divisible by 3. So 3 into something plus 2. 3 into something plus 2. 99999. Answer is divisible by 3. 9 5s are 45. 45 is divisible by 3. 99996. It is divisible by 3. 999 27. 27 plus 5 32. 32 plus 8 40. 40 is 3 into 13 plus 1. Answer is 99962. Directly by looking at a question, you got the answer as 99962. Again I am explaining. This prime number is 3. So answer is 3 into something plus 2. Answer when divided by 3, it should give a remainder 2. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. All are divisible. 5, 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 divided by 3, remainder 1. Divisible by 3. So it is 99962. If the option is 99926. If the option is 99926. If the option is 99926. 99926 is incorrect. Why? Because it is divisible by 5. 5a plus 2. 5a plus 2. Answer when divided by 5, it should give. Are you with me? In fact, it will become 10a plus 2. Why? Because 5 another 2 will be there here. Another 2 will be there here. 10a plus 2. That means 10a plus 2 is unit digit should be 2. So 99926 is incorrect. Why 10a came? 10a came because here 5 is there, here 8 is there. LCM of 5 and 8 is 40. 40 is derived from 10. 40 is derived from 10. I hope it is clear. Answer is 99962. In case if you want the traditional method to be solved, LCM of 3, 5, 8, 12 into k plus 2. 3 is divisible by 12, so it is eliminated. 5 and 8 is 40. LCM of 40, 12 into k. This is 4 into 10 and it is 4 into 3. 4, 30, 120k plus 2. 120k plus 2, which is 99962. If you substitute a value, you will come to know, or otherwise, you don't need to substitute it. 0 into anything 0 plus 2. Unit digit in the answer should be 2. Unit digit in the answer should be 2. Unit digit in the answer should be 2. I hope the idea is clear. All are easy if you know the logics. Find the least multiple of 13, which when divided by, there is a number. This is divisible by 13, and when you divide it by LCM of 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, it gives a remainder 2. It gives a remainder 2. It gives a remainder 2. N is 13x. When it is divided by 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8, it gives a remainder 2. Now see here, this entire number is divisible by 5. 5 into p plus 2. Answer when divided by 5, it should give a remainder 2. 20 is divisible by 5. 40 is divisible by 5. So this is out. Next one, this entire number, another composite number is 7 or 6 is derived from 3. This is when divided by 3, it gives a remainder 2. Check if it is satisfying. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. 3 is also satisfying. 13 is also satisfying. Now, it should be divisible by 13. 842. 13 6 are 78. 62. 62 is not divisible by 13. So answer for this question is 2522. Answer for this question is 2522. I hope the idea is clear. First, identify the basic elimination approach. LCM of 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. It is divisible by 5. 5 into something plus 2. So, ending with 0 means it is divisible by 20. Option A out, option D out. Then when you divide by 7, I got more options. Then do it with 13. Then do it with 13. There is also an There is also another approach. Please write down method 1. These by using answer options approach. 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 Next one. Method 2. You can also use this method in case the divisibility rule for 13. Divisibility rule for 13. I will explain it in the prime numbers. Divisibility rule for 13. Reminder 1. 10 power 3 divided by 13. 13 ones are 13. Negative remainder minus 3. Minus 3 cube is minus 27. 13 twos are 26. Minus 1. 10 power 3 divided by 13 is minus 1. So how you can do is 2520. This you can write it as 2 into 10 cube plus 520. If I divide this number by 13, why we are dividing it by 13? Because question is saying that it is a multiple of 13. 10 cube by 13 is minus 1. 512 minus 12 is 518. 518 is not divisible by 13. First option is out. Third option, after 3 digits, put plus and minus. I will explain in prime numbers in detail. So 522 minus 2 is 520. 520 is divisible by 13. So answer for this question is 2522. Divisibility rule for 13 is start from rightmost. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively add and subtract. Alternatively add and subtract. I am not discussing too much, because again I have to discuss in detail with example. Just a basic idea I am telling you. You can also use the divisibility rule of 13 and eliminate option A, B and D. Option A, B and D. Next one. The least number. I think some direct questions which we will solve. The least multiple of 7. Answer should be a multiple of 7. Answer should be a multiple of 7. I don't need to read the complete question. Answer for this question is option D, which is 364. This is a stupid question. He should have given an options more than 1 a multiple of 7. More than 1 a multiple of 7. More than 1 a multiple of 7. Clear? Or otherwise, suppose if the options are, idea clear, right? If it is, sorry. This, I made a mistake. I read only till here. Least multiple of 7. Okay, least multiple of 7, right only. Which leaves the remainder 4 when divided by. Okay, I thought it is the continuation. There is a multiple of 7. These when divided by LCM of 6, 9, 15, 18 into k plus 4. These entirely divisible by 9. Answer when divided by 9, it should give remainder 4. It should give remainder 4. It should be divisible by 7. Answer is 364. I hope you are understanding the idea how to check by using answer options when the positive remainders are same. How to check when the positive remainders are same. Idea is clear? The largest number of 5 digits which when divided by LCM of 16, 24, 30, 36, it gives a remainder 10. It gives a remainder 10. Now see here, 36 digital sum is 9. If one number digital sum is 9, answer digital sum should also be 9. 9 into k. 10 divided by 9, remainder is 1. 10 divided by 9, remainder is 1. Answer when divided by 9, it should give remainder 1. It should give remainder 1. Check by using answer option. 9, 9, 9. 2 plus 7, 9. Out. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 8. Not possible. 9, 9, 8. Not possible. Only possibility is 99370. 99370. Altamash, I think you missed the previous session, right? I think from last 5 days. Last 5 days we are taking every day minimum 4 hours to maximum 6 hours classes. And the best part is all the classes are taken by me. All the classes are taken by